Let's take a look at the RILAND MIG welding machine. Apart from the very lightweight and small welding machine, you also get a hammer with the wire brush combo, an extra tip, a carrying belt, flux core wire, as well as the user manual. The user manual is basic. It's got some specs and some minimal information to get started. But I like their single page quick start guide much more. It is illustrated and easy to understand. This is a great beginner welding machine. It does not have a bunch of advanced settings or buttons. It's designed to simply weld using flux core wire. That's it. It has a standard 110 volt connection at the back. When you open the side door, inside you will find the wire roll bar and the wire feeder. And again, this is a very lightweight and portable machine that you can simply pick up and pack away when you're done using it. Out the front, you get the grounding clamp and the welding gun. The gun is easy to hold and pretty comfortable even when wearing gloves. Also on the front of the machine, you will find a single dial. This lets you select the material you are welding and the machine will automatically adjust the voltage. The wire feeder can be opened using the twist nut on the top. The roller inside can also be removed and you can select one of the two available diameters. Here I have clamped two metal bars. I'll weld them together at the middle. A nice basic weld for a first timer. Setting up the machine and welding it was a breeze and worked as expected. It's pretty safe as well since the voltage is high only when you press the button on the gun. So for the beginner who just wants to do basic welding, I highly recommend this inexpensive and simple machine. Thanks for watching.